385 Bravo Victor, Lakeland Tower, continue inbound. Look for a stationary off your left front, about a mile and a half, 2,500 feet. Plan to follow that traffic.
Say again for 385 Bravo Victor.
Number 168, contact Tampa Departure. You have a good day.
168, go ahead, Tampa.
November 5 Bravo Victor, continue inbound, runway 28. Look for a stationary off your left front, mile and a half, 2,500.
Okay, we understand straight into 28. We're looking for the traffic.
5 Bravo Victor, start slowing your airspeed back a little bit.
Say again?
Start slowing your airspeed back.
Bravo Victor.
Lakeland Cessna 4721 Bravo, holding short runway 28 at Delta 1, ready for departure.
4721 Bravo, Lakeland Tower, no delay, runway 28, clear for takeoff, right turn out approved.
No delay, clear for takeoff, runway 28, right turn approved, 4721 Bravo.
November 84 Juliet, runway 28, clear to land.
84 Juliet, clear to land, 28.
And Lakeland Tower, pulling further off,
November 211 Charlie Golf, Lakeland Tower, hold short runway 28, landing traffic waiting out for release. November 5 Bravo Victor, you traverse 1 mile final, runway 28, clear to land.
Bravo Victor, clear for 28, thank you. Wind check, please.
Wind 2603. Ready for Juliet, turn right, Alpha 3, ground point 4.
Alpha 3, ground point 4, 84 Juliet.
Station India now, current Lakeland altimeter 3006. Ready for Juliet, Lakeland ground, where are you going to park at? Ready for Juliet, taxi Aero Center via right turn Alpha. 21 Bravo, not Steven, your transponder, make sure it's on.
Say that again for 471 Bravo.
I am not receiving your transponder, make sure it's on.
Lakeland Tower, 339 Echo Tango is on the right base on the visual approach runway 28.
Number 339 Echo Tango, Lakeland Tower, square, you turn to follow and have a King Air departure, have your arrival, runway 28, clear to land.
Square in the turn to final, Echo Tango.
November 21 Bravo, got you now, 1,500.
Roger that, 471 Bravo.
Stop Bravo Victor, okay, do not stop on the runway. Where are you going to park at? November 339 Echo Tango, landing clearance canceled. Maintain 2000, fly runway heading and contact Tampa.
2000 runway heading and contact Tampa, Echo Tango.
Attention all aircraft, the Lakeland Airport is closed, got emergency in progress.
And 339 Echo Tango, you have a frequency for Tampa?
9 Echo Tango, contact Tampa, 120.65.
0065, thank you.
Tampa Tower for 1 Charlie Golf. How long will it be closed for? Should I turn around? Go back to SEO?
1 Charlie Golf, it's probably the best bet. It looks like he had a gear up landing.
All right, then I'd like to call back to work, okay?
Okay, contact ground point 4.
Ring Tower, Ops 3, request to proceed on 1028 via Alpha 3.
Ops 3, Tower proceeding on 28.
Proceeding 28, Ops 3.
Flight 1 Tower, Trojan 174 Juliet, 10 miles per southwest with information India looking for a full stop.
17 Juliet, 4, correction, 174 Juliet, Lakeland Tower, the airport is closed. Got emergency in progress.
Roger that, I'll revert. 174 Juliet.
140 Juliet, you're number 2 following a Gulfstream on a 6-mile final, runway 28, clear to land, caution wait turbulence.
Looking for traffic, number 2, clear to land, November 1748 Juliet, no caution wake. Traffic in sight, 1748 Juliet.
Roger.
Also, there's lightning in my vicinity over Lake Parker, 1748 Juliet.
Roger that, thank you very much. And would that, do that lightning appear to be cloud to cloud or cloud to ground?
I didn't get this. Oh, it was cloud to ground, sorry. 1748 Juliet.
Roger that, cloud to ground, thank you.
No problem. Turning base now, 1748 Juliet.
Lakeland Tower, Cessna 2387 uniform is 10 to the east with Kilo over Lake Hancock, looking for a full stop.
Cessna 2387 Uniform Lakeland Tower, make straight in for runway 28.
Straight in, runway 28, 2387 uniform, thanks.
Wind 200 at 19er. This is a 2387 uniform. Just be advised, we do have heavy precipitation and lightning about 5 miles northeast of the field. It was just about 7-8 miles a few seconds ago, so it's moving fast.
Roger that. We got it in sight. We're going to stay on this heading for now, and then we'll join the straight in once we get past it. 2387 uniform.
Roger. Noah 49, welcome back to Lakeland. Turn left on Papa 2, taxi to parking via Papa Foxtrot Warbird ramp, Bravo Echo Echo 1, cross from a 5G approaching.
Thank you so much, sir. Taxi 2, park via Papa 2, Papa Foxtrot, Warbird ramp, Bravo 1, Echo 1, cross runway 5, number 9.
That was a good job on that readback.
Thank you.
Pepper 40 Juliet, do you require any assistance? We're sending help out now. Cessna 2387 uniform, remain outside of the class Delta for emergency in progress.
Outside of the Delta, 2387 uniform.
Cessna 4723 Bravo, remain outside of the class Delta for emergency in progress.
Yeah, that was south of Delta. Good to go.
Sandwich Tower, Airport 6. I'm on Juliet. I'd like to see out to the aircraft.
Airport 6, proceed via Juliet, Alpha, Bravo, cleared across runway 28.
Juliet Alpha Bravo crossing 28. Airport 6 looks like ours is in front of me, and airport is closed. Wing Tower Ops 3, request to proceed in the intersection of 523 and 1028.
Ops 3, approved as requested.
Proceeding as requested, Ops 3.
Lakeland Tower.
This is Lakeland Tower.
You know how long is the airport going to be closed for, estimate?
Nope, you can plan on about I would say about an hour and a half, hour.
Roger, the hour to a half. Thank you so much.
Making ground airport 2, where we close the application site.
Roger.
Making ground airport 2.
Airport 2, this is Lakeland Tower.
Lakeland Tower, airport 2. Are we closing it?
Airport 2, your radio's coming in broken and unreadable.